Hi, this is Wes from the W Farmstead. So, part of being on a farmstead is doing whatever you need to do. And we have the RV here, in which this RV doesn't move, and we've been going through a bunch of sewer hoses because of the weathering. So, we decided it's time to take and put in a permanent attachment from the RV over to the sewer pipe. It's right down here. So we got several different items. First of all, we got on Amazon, and we got 10 foot of 3-inch PVC. Okay, so this is 10 foot of 3-inch PVC. As you can see, we have it cut. We got this piece right here, which we take and glue onto the 3-inch PVC, which will go into a male connector, okay? Hence, this thing right here, into your bayonet, like that. Now, and then we got a rubber flex piece. You can see if, I don't know if you can tell, it's Fernco 1056-33. It's a 3-inch rubber piece, okay? So this side right here, we'll put it on here. If I can get it on there. There you go. We'll go into the drain like this. And then we've got another piece that I'm going to show you here in a second. I'm going to go and put that right there. We have another piece right here. So let me grab the other piece under here too. So this is also a 3-inch piece that's threaded. As you can see, there's the skew on it. Now that goes onto a 3-inch pipe here. Okay, and then this takes, which this is the piece right here. As you can tell, it's got the bayonet on here on this end. See the bayonet? And what we do is we screw it into this part right here and put it on the trailer. So this goes up on the trailer, this is screwed in, so you can kind of picture it. And it's like that, okay? What we found out is the angle coming off the trailer, coming down to where that pipe will be to go over, is right about 18 inches. So it's an 18-degree angle. So what we did is, as you can tell, this is not 90-degree cut. It's cut about 18 degrees on here that we use the miter saw for to cut it. So what we'll do is we'll put this on there and we'll feed it into the rubber coupler there, and then tighten down the rubber coupler on both sides, and then we have our sewer connection. Really easy. Most expensive thing we got here, believe it or not, was a 3-inch PVC pipe. You got that at Lowe's. It was 20 bucks for the PVC pipe. I think this piece was like 6 bucks. The rubber coupler there, 3-inch rubber coupler. Which I showed you the numbers on it. I think it had 2 of them for like 10, 11 bucks. This piece was like 6 bucks, and then this piece was like $6 or like $8, 6, 7, or somewhere around in there. I'm just giving generalities. And then you have the male bayonet that goes on the end of the pipe. That was like $4 or $5. So it ended up adding up to like $42, $43 for all of it. Where if you get a good, like the Camco RhinoFlex sewer hose, it's actually cheaper than the RhinoFlex sewer hose, in which this should last for a long time. So we're going to go on ahead and put this together in a hurry, and then we'll show you what it looks like when we're finished. Okay. All right.
I'm done.
I gotta get my butt up under here. Oh God. Too old for this garbage. You know that? Oh, move that out of the way.
Move that out of the way, Jeff.
There we go.
He did.
Uh-huh.
He pushed it out.
Okay. All right, we're going to grab that other end, Jeff.
Wait a minute, let me get my angle up. There we go.
Okay, bring it to me. A little bit. Hold on. All right.
Tell me when, if you want me to push, tell me.
Well, I'm trying to see where the... Hold on. Just... Yeah. That is... I probably need to tighten this on here because I don't need it to go down anymore.
Yeah, because it won't move.
Because I don't want that end to move. I hate using flathead screwdrivers. You know how many times I've gouged myself because of these dang things? They're dangerous.
I don't care.
Okay. Lift it up. Take it out to the left. To your right. There you go. Because I'm gonna...
I figured when you said to my left, I'd go right.
Okay. Go on and put it in. Okay. Alright, so do me a favor and hand me that concrete block. Yeah. Oh, screw this. That one's gonna be too big.
You think so?
Yeah. There we go. Ah, there we go. What do you know?
There you go. That'll work. There you go.
So I've got two of them on both sides.
And those are tight?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep. All right.
Ta-da!
There we go. So, yeah, don't film me getting up. This is kind of a cluster.
You want to say any closing remarks?
Nope.
All done.
It's that simple. Guys, anybody can do it, just as long as you remember 3-inch. 3-inch for everything, and then those pieces, which we showed you the part numbers, got them off of Amazon, all these parts, and works great, nice and easy. This happens to be a straight run too. Jeff had some problems with his.
Yeah, I can mine not straight run.
Yeah, his isn't a straight run, but there you go. Thank you. Y'all have a good one.